Hey YouTubers, I have a 2010 F-150 XLT and I wanted to make this video and record it and upload it so I can have it for reference later. And if you have an F-150 with the fob key, maybe this will help you out. Now what happened, the battery on this thing went completely dead, so I threw the charger on it, thought no problem. Charger was up, I went inside and stuck the key in. First thing I noticed was up here on the left side, the theft light is blinking, or was blinking. Now I think it stopped. So let me turn it back off. See that little blink there? There it is. It's doing it again. See it? So what I had to do was actually go out there and unhook the battery and hook it back up, and it started up. Now it's doing it again. I don't know if this is going to be a problem or not. So let's put the key in and see if it's going to start. Alright, so it started up this time. And the light is now off. So if you're stuck somewhere and this happens to you, you may actually have to unhook your battery for about 3 minutes or so. Turn on your lights, make sure the charge is out of the system completely, out of all the computers, and it should start right back up. So I'm going to shut this off and let's see if it, and for some reason everything is dinging. Let me shut this off, shut the door. Now we've got dinging everywhere. I've never had that before. Don't know what that means. So let's go out here and unhook this battery again. But you can see that security light is flashing. I never had a problem with it before, and this is the original fob key too. So let's go out here. Why is it dinging now all of a sudden? It's not Monday. Doors are all shut. Everything's off. Lights are out. So let's go out here and unhook this real quick again. I got it on charger. Weird. Now this is something new that just came up that's never happened before, so I don't know what that's all about. I was just going to make the video on the fob key reset to start your truck up, but now we got the dinging, so let's unhook that. Alright, the dinging stopped. Alright, so we got the lights on, drain everything, lights are out, and all my doors are shut. That dinging is like the ignition is on or something and it's not running and the door's open. This side is completely shut. So this, you know, I've had this truck about a year. I'm just now starting to work on it. So this kind of spooked me a little bit. So let's put this back on, hook that back up, and tighten this down real quick here. Try to do this in real time, that way you can see what's going on here. So alright, so that's tight. Let's put our cable back on here, negative, and this is the negative and this is the positive over here, and we're still charging. And let's go back inside. And alright, we don't have no dinging, but our security light's flashing. So, well, let's put the key and see what happens. I don't know. Well, it started. Alright, let's see if the dinging goes away. Alright, well, the dinging went away. So, I'll have to do some more research, but maybe it's going to be okay now. But if you have that light flashing, that security light, you may have to unhook your battery for some reason and reset the computer or something. But never had a problem with it, and this fob key works. The door, it unlocks and locks the door, no problem. You shut it off. All right, and this is lock. Hear it clicking, hear the horn, and that's unlocked. So I know that's working. All right, start it up again, see if it's going to start. Earlier it would not start. It wouldn't even crank over. It would just, the key would do nothing when I would hit it. All right, turn the key on. See if it flashes anymore. Alright, it's not flashing. Alright, so starting up now. So there you go. There's your tip if you have an F-150 and this happens to you. So tell you what we're going to do. We're going to shut it off. I'm going to take the key out, put it off the side, and we're going to come back here in a little bit and see if we have any more issues. Alright guys, so after doing some research, I found out that that light, that security light, is normal. That happens all the time. It's the way it's supposed to be. I just never noticed it before, which I think it's a really kind of a weird system. I mean, it's just telling you that the theft system is working. Now it turns out that the PAT system on this key and the battery, when that battery goes completely dead, you can get some gremlins. So I was online doing a lot of Googling and researching on the Ford sites, and other people have had the same problem. My problem was, like I said earlier, I put the key in, everything worked perfectly, lit up, it wouldn't crank, it wouldn't do nothing. And then I went out and unhooked the battery and come back in, then it worked. Then the second time you heard the dinging that wouldn't stop. So what I'm going to do is let this battery charge up for about a day, and it seems to be okay now. You can see it's blinking, like, yeah, remind me that someone might steal my vehicle. That, let's see, keys on. And I know I have a bunch of the lights on here. I have to do a cam phase, phasers and chains and all that. I'm going to put a whole new kit in it eventually. But, so it just kind of spooked me a little bit. And I know some of you think I'm a little drama queen, but it happened out of the blue and had me worried. So, as of right now, the engine sounds great, but it's got some problems. It's got some codes for cam phasers, time and chain issues. It's not quite in perfect time. Great little truck, but there you go, guys. If you have a problem, you may have to unhook your battery and reset it, especially if it goes completely dead. My advice would be, if you come out and you find your battery's completely dead, go ahead and unhook one of your cables first, charge the battery up or get another battery and put on it, then hook it back up. That way maybe it won't throw the gremlins into the fob key and all that. So and at least it's not dinging no more. Everything's shut up just like it should be, doors, and that's normal for that to be blinking, I guess. So go ahead and shut this off. Keys out, and you can see that security light flashing, which is kind of weird. Normally those flash on most vehicles after you get out and lock the vehicle, then it starts to flash. But it doesn't flash when you're sitting in the vehicle and the windows are down and the doors are unlocked and you're just sitting here. Why it would flash like that? This is something I never noticed before. Alright guys, so if you have any advice, hey, give me some advice in the comments section on this new F-150 2010. And we'll see how she goes. So thanks for watching, guys, for the video. Hopefully this will help you out and all that. We'll start up one more time. No problem. So there you go, guys. So hopefully I'll have her on the road soon. Be driving her. So thanks for watching, guys, and until my next video, I'll see you later. Alright, day 2. Very annoying. Still won't start. Security lights flashing. Wipers on, of course it's raining. Of course, if I shut the door, battery's good in the fob. I can lock it up. If I unlock it, obviously this is working. But the key now won't even start it. Security light flashes. So how in the hillbilly hell is that possible? Sometimes it starts and sometimes it doesn't. It's a rolling security key. It doesn't take a battery in this. It has a chip. Stupid radio. Shouldn't have to go through this with Ford. Never had this problem on a GM vehicle. Although I like this truck, beginning to wonder if it's going to be worth my time. And I still can't get it to, it's in park. But I'm going to hook the battery again. I don't know if it's going to help. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it doesn't. Alright, hook it back up. Hear things clicking. Battery's fully charged. Any advice? Give me a comment in the comment section below. Keys in. Security light still flashing. I don't know. Anyway, have a nice day and let me know what you think.